Let's jump onto subtitles. You'll notice if your audio is really good, it's a nice, crisp, clear voice, you shouldn't need to actually change or fix any errors, if any. Our transcription is pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, you may want to change some words, fix them, edit them, maybe not show them. Let's go through all of that, and let's go through and show you how to quickly style them as well. Editing the words, it's very simple. You basically select a word, you click on this edit transcript mode, and you toggle that on. Now, wherever you click, it changes into a text cursor. Now I can edit my subtitles, and I'm actually trying to find any mistakes, and I can't find any mistakes. To show you this, let's just change this. It's got a 9 there. I want to change that to the number 9 instead. And that shows you how good the transcription is. Now, it's not 100% accurate, right? I'm not going to say it is. You will potentially need to change a few words, but hopefully it's not much. Hopefully it's not much. I'm going to change Facebook to capitals. And there we go. That's how easy it is to change the words. Now, you can't do a couple of things. You can't select multiple words and change those. And the reason is every word has an associated timestamp to it, right? So there's always a start and an end point in terms of time and time frames for every single word. So at the moment, you can't do a multi-select and change a whole sentence, for example. And you shouldn't need to. It doesn't make sense. Like, why would you grab a whole sentence to try to change it? Because it won't match with what you're actually seeing in the video. To switch out of the edit mode, you simply just toggle the edit transcript mode off, and you're back to doing everything else again. Now, what if you actually didn't want to show some subtitles? If you don't want to show particular words, you can just simply toggle your edit transcript mode on, select the word, double click on it, and either press backspace, delete, or I can just press spacebar. And you'll notice when you delete or press backspace, it'll actually show you that word is trimmed out. Spacing is just, I guess, a character that's added to the transcript. So you can add as many spaces as you want, and it'll just change that around. And so I'm not sure if that's any use to you. I mean, you can always try it out, see what effect you can achieve, but that's what it does. Now, if I don't want to show my subtitles altogether on my video, this is how you do it. You click on the subtitles, and there's a setting here which says display subtitles, and you simply just toggle that off. So now, no matter where you are in the video, you're not going to see those subtitles, but I do want to show my subtitles, and so I'm going to put them on. That leads us to styling your subtitles, and as you've noticed, I've already changed the presets, and you can simply just select any preset that you want, and it'll change those subtitles for you. So all the styling is done for you. Having said that, you can still customize any one of these presets in any way that you want. So if you remember how to change your text blocks or your other overlays, it's essentially the same thing. Once you select your subtitles, you've got your styling options there, and you've got your advanced styling options when you click on the advanced button. Comparing it to text blocks, you've got a few more options for subtitles. First one is you can actually change the number of lines that you want to show for your subtitles. You can change the length of your subtitles. So go really short, which would typically be one word. Now, is that useful? Yes, it is. Remember, you can always create a lot of Instagram reels and stories and turn your video podcasts into short reels using this effect, and they look really nice. They look really good. You can make them small, but also keep them number of 3 lines, number of 2 lines, or 1 line. It really depends on what you want to do. But the point is you've got the flexibility to change the length of the subtitles in any way that you want. You can add a bit of a background, and to do that, let's add a background color so you can see what I'm actually doing. Let's go with a bright red so you can just see what I'm doing. Now I can fix the width of my subtitles. What that'll do is let me change the width. Now, no matter what I do or whatever the subtitle is, that width is going to stay the same. I can change the rounding of the subtitles. So you'll notice I can make them nice and round. See that? I can change some of the padding options, right? So it gives you a lot of customization options with this background and spacing setting. Now, actually, I'm going to make this into eventually I'm going to turn this into a reel, a story mode video. So I'm going to change this to be 2 lines, and I'll even keep that to be really small. I'm going to click on advanced, and I'm going to fix the width so it looks something like this, and I'm going to position it about there. Now let's play this back. Awesome. How good was that? I think that was really good. Okay, so that's how you edit your subtitles. So I've shown you how to fix those mistakes. I've shown you how to style your subtitles. And a quick tip, we're going to be adding a lot more presets. We're going to be introducing even more fancier subtitles very soon. So stay tuned for that. Now, the other thing I want to really show you with the subtitles is, well, what if you want to download just the subtitles, right? How do you do that? And to do that, you simply click on the download icon. Once you're on the download page, you've got the option to select either the subtitle or the transcript file. You simply click on that option, prepare for download, and your files should be ready. And so you can download that, and you'll notice that the timestamps are based on the settings that I had in my video. So I'm just going to quickly go back into that, continue editing, and it's as per these. So if at any time you want to just export your subtitles and you're not happy with the timestamps, you can always change the settings, and it'll be almost what you see is what you get in terms of the number of words and not the style, obviously. That's really going to depend on where you're uploading it. But in terms of the length and the number of lines, well, at least the length is number of lines. Most other video editing tools don't let you control that. We do. So, woohoo! And that is it for subtitles.